Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to Blissful Blessings with Mittal. Today we are going to talk about something very close to the heart, healing from past emotional wounds and trauma. We all carry experiences that may have hurt us, shaped our beliefs or caused emotional pain. The good news is these wounds can be healed, and I'll share some powerful techniques, rituals and short-guided inner child meditation that you can do at home. So let's take a deep breath and let's start this healing journey together. First, let's understand what emotional wounds are. These are experiences from your past, childhood relationships, or even recent events that left a mark on your emotions. That can show up as anxiety, fear, low self-esteem, or overthinking, or difficult trusting others. It's important to know that these wounds are not your fault. They are lessons for your soul. Healing is about acknowledging them, giving yourself compassion, and slowly releasing the old pain so you can feel lighter and freer. I'll share a personal example. For a long time, I struggled with confidence and had a fear of speaking in public. This all came from past experiences where I constantly felt I wasn't good enough. It affected the way I approached opportunities and even daily interactions. Earlier, I was not very connected with spirituality, but ever since I began exploring spiritual practices and understanding their deeper meaning in my life, has become much smoother and more balanced. Through meditation, chanting mantras, and using crystals to support my energy, I slowly healed these old wounds and started feeling more empowered, confident, and at peace with myself. Journaling is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to process your emotions. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes daily to write down your feelings without judgment. You can ask yourself questions like, what am I feeling right now? Or which past experience is affecting me? Write freely and honestly. This helps bring unconscious emotions to light so you can release them. Forgiveness is not about excusing someone else's action. It's about freeing yourself. You can write the person's name and your feelings on a piece of paper and then do a small ritual like burning the paper safely or burying it while saying, I release this pain, I choose peace. Shadow work is about acknowledging the parts of yourself you may have hidden or denied. Anger, fear, guilt, or jealousy. Look at these emotions without judgment. Understand why they exist and then consciously choose to heal them. A practical way is to ask yourself, when did I first feel this emotion? What triggered it? How can I respond differently now? Inner child meditation can help you reconnect with your younger self, the part of you that may have been hurt. I'll guide you through a short version in a few minutes. Sit comfortably, close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath in. And exhale fully. Let your body relax. Now imagine yourself walking into a safe, peaceful space. A place where you feel completely protected and calm. In this space, you see your younger self. It could be at any age when you remember feeling hurt, sad, or alone. Approach them gently. Now look into their eyes and silently say, I see you. I hear you. You are safe. I am here for you. Imagine holding their hand or giving them a comforting hug. Feel love, compassion, and protection flowing into them. Ask your inner child if there is anything they want to tell you. Listen with an open heart without judgment. Let any emotions rise and release them through your breath. Finally say, I love you. I forgive you. I forgive myself. We are whole now. Take a few deep breaths and slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes when you are ready. Notice how your heart feels lighter, and remember, this is a practice you can return to whenever you feel emotional pain from the past. Healing from past emotional wounds and trauma is a journey, not a destination. Be gentle with yourself and honor your feelings. Journaling, forgiveness rituals, shadow work, and inner child meditation all are powerful tools to help you release old pain and reconnect with your true self. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want more guided inner child meditations or emotional healing exercises, sending you love, light, and deep healing energy today.